Welcome back to the course. In this video we are going to discuss the concept of search engine optimization, or SEO for short. And we're going to find out how we can use, or how we have to use, because it's pretty much a prerequisite in today's day and age, how we need to use SEO in all of our content, from blog articles to product descriptions and web copy. So let's use this article here as an example. Now, one very easy and clever way to find out what keywords the author is focusing on. This is particularly relevant and helpful when you're doing research on keywords. Step one, you need to find, if you are not provided with the keywords by the client, you need to find the keywords yourself. So what you can do is you go to get 2 or 3 articles, ones that you feel would be representative of the type of articles or product descriptions that your client would be proud to have on his or her blog, representing her website through web copy and etc. So you highlight the article, you copy the entire article, and I like to use this website here called Word Counter, and you simply paste the text in here. Now, you have these options. You can include small words, really the determiners, the conjunctions, things like that. I exclude them. Now, use only roots, group variations together. I say yes, although you can change it to no if it's a problem. And really, you only need 25 words. So let's keep the list short. Now we can see that furniture, outdoor, cover are by far the 3 separate words used most frequently in this article. So, furniture, outdoor, cover, and pay close attention to the outdoor furniture cover. The title includes these 3 keywords. Now, let's see what happens when we don't group these variations together. We get a similar result. Furniture, outdoor, cover, and covers are by far the most frequent search terms. So these are the keywords that you will need to focus on when you are writing your own articles. And how exactly are you supposed to do this? Simply, no one's expecting you to get a deep and complex understanding of search engine optimization in a couple of hours. So what are some really what are some quick ways that you can, some quick strategies you can use to easily understand and use search engine optimization in your articles? Let's use this same article as an example. Now I'm going to open up a Word document and paste the article here. In fact, I'm going to merge the formatting so it looks a bit nicer. Okay, so we know that outdoor furniture is a potential combination. Remember, the keywords, the most frequent keywords are furniture, outdoor, and cover. And we can use variations for that. So here we have outdoor furniture. So if I was writing this, I would actually, what I do is I underline the keywords that I'm focusing on. Outdoor furniture cover. And remember, you want to use the keywords in the first paragraph, in the title also. Now, I would also include it in these subheadings. So make sure your outdoor cover is thick enough to keep out UV rays. You don't want to go overboard with the keywords. You don't want to simply repeat outdoor furniture cover over and over and over again. You want to mix them around. You want, see example, this is a bit too much. Outdoor furniture covers, outdoor furniture covers, outdoor furniture covers. You want to be a bit more creative with how you use these terms. But essentially what you can do, if the client wants to review the keywords that you are using, simply underline them. And you can also italicize instead of underlining. You can also bold. The problem with bold and in some cases underlying is that when naturally you want to remove the underlined words once the client will want to when they want to upload it to the blog. So they can simply go Control U, highlight the whole thing, and then they're gone instantly. Which is why I like using underlines or, in some cases, italicized keywords. If you use the bold, if you bold them, there is a problem in that the client can't really easily. You unbold the subtitles, which is a no-no. So I would recommend underlying. That's how you let the client know, look, here are the keywords that I am using. You are able to review the keywords. And every single time you use a certain keyword phrase, you underline it, they can count it, they can see the overall frequency of the keyword in the article, and if they want you to scale it back, there is a very easy way. They can do that very easily, in other words. This is how you differentiate yourself. Very specifically as a blog article writer, you want to provide your client with as many visual reminders that you are doing the things that you're supposed to be doing. For example, search engine optimization. And when you email the client your batch of completed articles, you can put a little note in the email. Also, please take notice that all of the underlined words in the articles are the keywords that I'm focusing on. If you would like me to focus on another keyword, please let me know. Or if you would like me to reduce the frequency of the keyword that I'm using, please also let me know. This is how you differentiate yourself from all of the other writers. This is how you leave a lasting impact and ensure that you get repeat business from these top clients, these top paying clients. Again, finding these clients is one thing. Keeping them, that is the key to success in your new career as a copywriter. So with this being said, we've quickly gone over the search engine optimization issue with blog articles. Now with product descriptions, you have a similar concept. I'm just going to delete all of this. You have your title. You make sure that your keyword is in the title of your product description and also included a few times in the body. Now, product descriptions are interesting because you also have technical specifications, which you can insert certain keywords in the technical specifications also. It really does depend on your industry and the product which you are writing about. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. A quick video on search engine optimization. As always, if you have any questions, any comments, please leave a comment in the discussion section of this video. And as for your homework exercise, and remember, the students that do the homework exercises have been proven to get a lot more out of the courses, which is why I always leave at least a small homework exercise to allow you to exceed your own expectations. That's a huge part of learning and growth. So, with this homework exercise, I want you to find an article. That's not it. I want you to find an article like this. I want you to run it through wordcounter.com, and I want you, let's say, just copy this link, paste it in the comment section, and then next to it or below it, paste the 3 most frequent keywords. And then we can have a look at that. This is very, very important that you get into the habit of doing this. So, thanks again, guys, for watching. Please leave 5 stars if you enjoyed the video, or if you have any feedback for me, again, leave it in the discussion section of this video. I'm always trying to improve the way I make these videos to make them better for you, so any feedback at all is really appreciated. So thanks again, and I'll speak to you next time.